Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be with my friend right here, Absent Turtle, who I'll just call Billy, and my name's Albert, and we'll be going down to Mainz. No, not Mainz, we're going to be doing a noob run in Zurich. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. And the rules are, we're allowed to use our one hip squat for a flashlight noob, and we have to use the backpack thing, and then we can use things. If you watch for a little while, make sure to subscribe and turn that bell on. Okay, let's just go straight. Stay. Wait. I'm sexy and I know it. Wait. There's so much crates. Open all the crates. Come here.
We need to open up all those crates.
Yeah.
We need to sell that.
I really want that right now.
I've got another bucket. We have to sell that too.
Are there any more crates?
No. Go.
Okay, made it past the bit that we normally.
Mind the green ores, because remember, the green ores give us loot, remember?
Yeah. Sometimes they give you crates.
I got 12 rolls!
Only mine 2 though. I got a banana. Hey, you.
I got a banana.
Yeah, let's just go, okay? Yeah, okay, stop mining now because we need to mine other stuff.
Well, that's kind of true. One second, let me go grab this banana over here.
What?
I grabbed that banana. Alright, Albert, I can fit one more item in my backpack. One more item.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Run.
One of us needs to fit at least a full backpack, Albert. One of us needs to.
I know. Baldy, is it? I'm joking. Guys, he's not actually bold, I'm just being annoying. Henry, where are you? Where are you?
Full backpack, we did it.
Okay, ha!
We just have to get out of here now.
But I've also got to fill my backpack up.
No, one person has to. Let's go on, Alba. Oh my god. Get down here. And now, drop one of your sticks, alright? Because, yeah.
Why?
Just, because what if you fall off of here?
Don't worry. Wait, isn't it Ghost Lady down here?
No, there's nothing here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, nothing's here. Come on, we have to get out of here.
Oh, what? We just... Okay.
Come on. Let's get out.
Let's give a...
We did it!
Is there any way to check how long you've been recording?
I don't know, but let's just go sell what we got.
So that's the first one. We'll do the other ones in a separate video. Wait. Oh, wait.
But the other box. Alright, you guys, everyone ready? Okay, let's go. How much money did we get from a noob run? This is our first noob run.
I'm actually kind of surprised.
That's not bad. It's not that bad for a noob run, actually.
So guys, in a different video, do you want to do a noob run but in Mainz?
We could,
Or a
and then we could also do one for
Mickey.
Haunted Mansion too.
Yeah, we'll do one for Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion or Mines first?
We're doing the mines next, probably.
Okay, we'll do a video on that. But guys, see us in the next video. Turn on the notifications if you made it this far, because you obviously like the content. And you should also subscribe. Yeah.